welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about Ashanti, and she's saying that basically he has her phone, allegedly. Now, she's saying that basically some of the stuff that he's playing, she was wondering where he got it from. But then she realized that he allegedly took her phone from her house. And that's the reason why he has those tapes. Now, she said that she reset the phone, and she thought she had done that, but it seemed like he has access to those information. But normally, what people would do in that situation is to change a password um, for the high cloud or whatever. But if those are already downloaded to the phone, then we know there's no way to fix that. And if the phone is stolen, though, it also can be locked down by the company because the company can lock that phone down if she chooses, because it's a stolen iPhone, and iPhone is it's a different kind of phone that you could basically lock down by the company so that no one is able to access the information there. So we do know that as well. So if you're hearing this, Maxine, you could do that. But if the tapes are off the phone, then there's no way to fix that. But she's saying that the tapes are being played and her phone was missing, and that's the reason she's saying that Ashanti was saying that Janet won't be able to get any more messages from her, and basically, allegedly, he took her phone and he took Janet's phone as well. So guys, go listen to what Maxie has to say, because she's saying that, they fought her hard enough for her daughter to kick her out the house, and she's gonna fight hard, So go catch that, watch this and listen to what she has to say, and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. Also, for all my beautiful lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, you know what to do, man. You know that you should have a happy birthday today. And I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this, your beautiful year. And for all my other beautiful lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, my subscribers, all those people that come back to watch. Yes, you. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Keep a beautiful smile upon your face, and if you're able to give a smile to someone else, please do so. And have yourselves a super duper beautiful day now.
But lucky enough, Paula's sister name and the voice recording them and stuff never went upon that the phone there, because me have two different email or three different email. So each one of the phone them have a different email pan there. But this a phone, yeah, and the phone when we have we have the same email, so you get to take out everything from half of the something. And an iPhone them, us iPhone sensible. So when you're hearing come out there and they cause you have the one that done a bed and then sitting there. And my phone in they go through people. And my phone in they go through. Me think me did though, cause me think me did. Me think me went through the settings and find return to factories. Me think me do that. Me think me went do that, cause me frightened when me hearing over there they play things. And me they say me Ross, I won't get them there from. Yes, all of them when they over Lorraine. Hashtag breaking news. Yes, cause remember saying when breaking news left Lorraine the night there, and gone over Ashanti, and the mama take sick and Lorraine went give the $100. What she went walk over there. All me give me money too, and then turn around and cuss me like a dog. Me go back at the phone place, but that time I gone with the phone. Cause me go there, make me good. I think I went T-Mobile. I don't remember which company me get the phone from. But me get so much phone from the people them that me don't know exactly which phone it was. But in thief them friend down here. And the first thing in do, I go blackmail Dana. Go blackmail Dana. And when me talk about you one of the time, Dana go talk about say, after Siloni say I know me. So how me get involved in it, and they do like say, you know, when they watch social media and something to see, when the people them say away me and Marcia, and then you ain't say I do we in. Who ever see for name you'll see when call? Cause for me name I one of the first name, cause I'm missing out my number, and you couldn't see where the number forward from something. And me they say, Bomba clock, no sir. Only if you know say it did forward from the phone when they use. It did forward from it. But Ashanti have the phone. A whole heap of things that me can't tell you about now. Or me know him have the phone. The drunker still have the phone, they use it. He come out here last week and he say, all of the message them want me send to Janet. Now go reach Janet because say him come on social media come chat so. That are the day when time the day when Janet went for a court. I think at the day when Janet served me. He said no more message now come to Janet. And him they come to. Cause he have Janet phone. I so come make me groan at the yard. I suck on me ground because me I wonder if Janet alright. Cause me and Janet never will have nothing. Me and Janet never have anything. We still not have nothing, so me not understand how Janet could not pick you up on her head to go carry me in a courthouse. Me no know. I know say me a girl when me take up anything, me not let you go until me done. When me feel fi done, me done. You not play with me like them way they. You done take out food out of me mouth already. You done box with food out of me. Yeah, because you no fight hard to make my daughter kick me out. You no fight hard. You no make it so impossible. And me must make you no walk free. No man, you not walk free. You no not walking free. It's not going to happen. Me go back at the phone place. Me go down there and then couldn't do nothing because I had so much phones. Because me never know say you can put all 3 accounts on one phone. Me never know that. So me get a phone for every account. Me get a phone for every account. A pair iPhone me full up and tablets from Apple. Me never know say me couldn't log out of that the account there. Had on one other account panny and use the same device for the same. Me never know. Me after they pay must be about $30 for storage every month from Apple. That's all that's if my phone whole heap of space me have. Cause me when they go buy one phone for make this. Lord Jesus, no sir. I don't care. I don't care if in round they sit down pan her. More me go do what me have to do because if she not have no sense, me go know. Yes, me know say make a boy know whole time business and something. Cause before me even open my mouth, Ashanti call it government. Canadian government, Canadian, me have investigation for do. Anybody who live in a Canada, him come out pan in life consist so I know me. I know me. So now that me realize that there is something to be investigated, it going to be investigated. And me want Cherry Pop to come over here and tell me why in tell the people them say have cancer and don't have no cancer and collect how much thousands of dollars. Cherry Pop, come here. You come here, Cherry Pop. None of you not make me. Let me do with the pin. See my mouth there mash up here, I can't remove. Me can't even remove. I don't want to walk and tell lie on me and do the most this. Like you take me for idiot. Me I'm not idiot. Do I look like I'm an idiot? no they walk come under me page. Now come under me page, cause me nah look no help from no now, no. And me nah look nothing from no now, no. What me I do, me I do. And Janet first take her big old self, but she carry me gone in a court. And she so disrespectful, like when they ask her, say, if me have any mark upon me, or no piercing or not like that, she'll chat about how me have a whole heap of piercing upon me, like upon me face like a cow, and one of the piercing having one horseshoe. Having one horseshoe. Which part you see horseshoe there on my face? You know, she say disrespectful, the girl disrespectful. When they ask her what kind of car me drive and something, one IKEA. What the fuck is IKEA? IKEA like a sitting like a that. What is IKEA? I later down me a ear say. I later down me a ear say IKEA I no car place. IKEA must be either furniture or food place or whatever, me don't ever know. No one no Kia you have there. You don't have Kia there, you have IKEA. IKIA. So what is IKEA? Is there a car by the name of IKEA? No, because she can buy BMW cash and sling cash. And when I'm saying this, I'm not grudging her for nothing. So no, but I run with it, go talk about me grudge her. Cause no done say it already, or me grudge her for house and grudge her for her vehicle them. She got 1 3 or 4 bedroom round there. I have a 6 bedroom. So why me don't grudge her for that? The same street she walk on, or the same street me walk on. All you hear them a talk about private property. There's no private property. There's no private property where you have to go through security gate and go through if you go in them. They live in a one crossroad. Them get the corner piece of land at the crossroad. So any side of the road you walk on, you then look straight in their house. And you call that private? A private that? Me dey look for see, me dey drive on the pass, for see if me see no way which part IKEA there. Me can't see no way no IKEA there. Me can't see it. Me want Marcy alive. When he went over there, they chat him and his husband. Me want the live there. Me have to go look for it, cause me know exactly when it take place. So me definitely have to go through Marcia sitting them if Marcia not take down the live. Cause I at the same time when Janet give me the information them and me come ball out the information and Marcia when they talk about the information to over there and what Janet give it and him tell Janet saying if he press charges from the boy and Janet when go pull back the paper them and they sinting the Marcia was talking about it. But I did not see the live because I was in Jamaica. So I did not see the live. But I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it. I'm doing everything in my powers to make sure you get what is coming to you. Because you don't have nothing about you. Up to yesterday they cost me. Up to yesterday. The man dirty nasty blue hole Matlock. Matlock will have 10 pitney for 10 different man. Look on Matlock. With her ugly self. And when she done, she dey talk about people ugly and something. She ugly till she can't even come on social media. Come show her true self. The way our damn nose take over her whole face. But because them and Janet and the whole of them in the Tiffin bag ring. In the Tiffin bag ring, the heap of bag them and something. Yes. Whole heap. No, it's about oh Janet for even do it when Janet know say you they take care of kids, government kids. group home. You know say government in charge of then something that you can't afford to make nothing go against your name. Like no exploiting, using the picnic them. You take all the picnic them, carry them round this little faggot. You take the picnic them, the people them picnic, carry on this little faggot. This abuser. You want the lick, you turn there and take the lick, Janet. If you want take the lick from Ashanti, you want stay there and take it. How you don't take the people them picnic and carry round in that the kind of environment there? How? Well, you go have a lot of answer for answer. Because I was leaving you alone. You go come tell the people them, me call you. And me call you. Sean them. Me when don't have your number already, but to me change up number. Sean give you the last number what me have where you call me at Jamaica. And you say you don't want to talk to me because you're afraid. You're afraid me go tape you. Me and you have a conversation over it. And me said, Janet, why would you be afraid to talk to me? If you know you're the talking truth and me the talking truth, then you shouldn't really matter if me tape you or not. Me and you hold that conversation, you beg me do. No make nobody know say me you call me. It depend on the voice note. Oh, you remember say me have here, you know say me have them. You never know. So that's why you not show up a court. Because all what you have on the paper, me have the evidence to show the judge say, listen, this is it, Your Honor. What she's saying is a lie. Because if you ain't come a court, Janet, you know what I mean go do, Janet? Me when go make you read out your statement, when you're done, me say, Your Honor, please find out from this lady if what she's saying is that what she wants to go by or if she wants to change it like right now. Because that's the first thing me when they go lick pan you, Janet. Lick you right out of the water there, so. Who you know if you go take up about yourself, but you're gone in a people write it courthouse. They file paper. You see quack, you see dog, they go and market. You have to pick up for yourself, they go and market too. You know, let the dog alone, make the dog go and go and market. You see everybody, they go to courthouse. You watch so much court TV and all of them thing there that you're so frightened. You don't know you don't know what it is to go to courthouse. You don't know. You take feminine. You see when somebody file restraining order against you, I one of the hardest thing to come off of your name, you know. You have to go expunge the record. Whether or not they find you guilty or not. If somebody file, you see like how they send CPS and something that not come off of your record, you know, people. And for people who they do nursing and then something there, you don't want them, they something there on your record, you know. All if you not go and quote people in and come off. If like me who they do nursing and they do elderly care, kids care, and somebody filing something against you, people in and come off of your record. Domestic violence and not something will come off of your record even if they not find you guilty people. But these people like Lorraine and the whole of them love run go courthouse, love run go jailhouse, just to put your name down in the book. Everywhere you go, it depend your name. You never know. Hey, yeah. Make somebody file what domestic violence pan you all when time your name clear and clean. Trust and believe say now come off. It's not coming off. Me say boy, me say Tiffany Isaac they go on with herself, you know. Tiffany Isaac they go on with herself. A pure laugh, me a laugh. A pure laugh, me a laugh, me a tell you no. Me see the young lady put out some something here. Me say, Lord Jesus, no sir. Tiffany they go along from bad to worse. Somebody have to go take with Tiffany phone from her. Somebody have to take with the phone from Tiffany because Tiffany not go along good. Not go along good with the damn phone. You know you're damn right. You're damn right. Cause she exactly know what to do with it. Hey, hey, laugh at me, you're back. I didn't even see that you're back. Hi, baby. Me say, Tiffany, make me a laugh. No, me just can't find her page now again, you know. Me don't know what me can't just go up on the phone and see Tiffany page. Me see some new same thing Tiffany put up this morning. Me laugh until me can't laugh no more. Look for Miss Ashanti, no. Look for Miss Ashanti. People no can look for Miss Ashanti. Me have to take all of the picture them and make them in our reels. I not top laugh. Lord have mercy, God. No